Hey guys, it's Levi here. I am doing a quick little video for you guys regarding something called social signals. I wanted to make this video for you because this is something that I use pretty extensively, and it really helps with issue that a lot of you guys are having right now, especially some of the people who are really early on in developing their niche website, which is traffic. It's tough to come by early on, especially when you haven't really established yourself yet as an authority figure for your niche. So this kind of solves the problem. This isn't a quick fix because this is kind of, I would call this kind of a gray hat technique. I don't think this is definitely not black hat, but it's not white hat either. So it's kind of right in between because it is kind of manipulating Google's algorithms, which is really cool. So what is social signals? Social signals are basically telling Google's algorithm that there are people landing on your web page and it's solving the issue. Because what's happening with microworkers.com, which is the website we're going to be using for this, when we sign up with microworkers.com and we create a campaign within microworkers.com, we are going to have somebody, actually a lot of people, search for your keyword. They're going to find your website and they're going to click on your website. So what does that say to Google? That says to Google that you solved their problem. They searched for the keyword, they went to your website, and it ended there. And actually what's really cool, I do this with some of my SEO clients that I contract for out here in Las Vegas. You can even kind of manipulate Google's algorithm in another way to, let's say for instance, I am working with a plumber and I'm trying to rank that plumber at the top of Google's map pack. I could basically send these micro workers to the next listing and immediately have them click off the website for my competitor. What that tells Google is that is not solving the problem. That website is not what people are looking for. So it is a little manipulative in a couple different ways. So that's really interesting for us. And until Google fixes it, we're going to take advantage of it. So what you're going to need to do is go to microworkers.com. And you'll have to create your own profile. It takes about 2 minutes, and then you just have to deposit like $10 into your account to get started. Once you do that, you're going to go to My Campaigns at the very top right here, and then you're going to click Basic Campaigns. Start a new basic campaign right here. Okay, and then you're going to have some options as far as where this traffic will be coming from. I always go to USA Western and then I click the United States. This is basically, again, telling Google that the geotagging is all based in the United States. So these are all people in the United States who are going to be doing this for you. From there, you are going to go to the option that says Search, Click, and Engage in the category for your campaign. And then just to the right, after you click this, you're going to have a couple different options popping up. What these mean basically is the people who are searching for your website, they are going to have an option. So for instance, they're going to search for your keyword, let's say for instance, or even your website name, or let's say you are ranking for keywords such as like what's somebody one is somebody's doing a niche blog on cooking supplies or cooking utensils, cooking stuff, food, and there's a specific keyword and I can't remember what it was. Anyways, what these social signal people are going to do then, and these are all individual people, so it's actually really cool. They are going to search for that keyword, and then let's say for instance they click once. All they would have to do if it was a click once, they would search for the keyword, they would see you, and then they would click it. But if they need to click like 3 times, let's say for instance they search for the keyword and you're on like page 3, they're going to have to click again to find you, right? So wherever you are kind of within your niche keywords, that's what you'll have to kind of figure out here, which is really easy. Because if you're on page 5, all you have to do is say click to page 5 and they'll find you immediately. Bada bing, bada boom, you're good to go. Once you have that figured out and set up, then you are going to set your available positions. So the minimum is 30 workers. So that means 30 people are going to do this, and that is going to cost you less than $5 to do. So it's extremely cheap. This is a really, really cost-effective way to start establishing yourself as an authority figure for your niche. Down here, you're going to enter your title. So let's say, for instance, again, we'll go back to the plumbing thing. Let's say you're trying to rank for let's just say plumbing in Las Vegas. So this would be the keyword. This is what people would, these social signal workers would search for, and then they would look for your niche wherever you would be. Okay, and then this is where you're going to actually, where it says what is needed to be done. This is where you're going to write your directions for the people who are doing this. So for instance, you could write search for keyword plumbing in Las Vegas. 2. So that's the search portion, which we kind of just went over above. Then now we're going to go to the click portion. So this is where you would say click to page 4. Okay, and then the next click would be click on, I'm just going to make up a name, levisplumbing.com. Okay, so 3 simple steps. So that's 2 clicks, right? Search plus 2 clicks. So let's go back up here, and just so I can show you this. Search plus 2 clicks. That's what this would be. Okay, because they're searching and then they're clicking twice. And that's it. Once they click on the website, that's the social signal. That's what's telling Google's algorithm people are going specifically into Google to find you. That's it. That's what a social signal is, and it's extremely powerful. Okay. Required proof of job finish. This is where you can just basically say, like, just email a screenshot, right? And they actually have an option for that right here. Workers can optionally upload file as proof. Workers are required to upload file as proof. I'll usually do this one just to, just kind of to keep people honest, right? And then for time to rate, I will always set this to 1 day. What that means basically is that the people who are doing this are getting paid immediately. Okay, it gets people excited, and that's pretty much it. Once you're finished with that, you click submit campaign, and then the workers go to work, right? Then they start doing this. So that is what social signals are. It's a really, really easy, cost-effective way to basically jumpstart your entire niche blogging campaign. Super cool. If you have any questions on that, guys, feel free to drop messages in the affiliate marketing affiliate entrepreneur group or the affiliate marketing crash course. You guys can email me directly or just message me. Definitely something that I think you guys should take advantage of. Yeah, it's awesome. Let me know what you guys think. Talk to you soon.